Sony's original DEPA, Distributed Enhanced Processing Architecture, gave us edge analytics built into the camera. This is available from our third generation cameras onwards. DEPA Advanced is the latest edge analytic technology from Sony, available on our fifth generation camera series. Previous DEPA technology required a DEPA-enabled recorder to decode the metadata stream containing video motion filter data. However, with DEPA Advanced, the entire process takes place within the camera. DEPA Advanced can output several alarm types based on the video motion filters, or VMF, being triggered. These alarm outputs include a 1 amp relay contact closure, an email alert sent from the camera with a still image attachment of the event, an audio alarm, or recording onto an onboard compact flash card. 5 filters can be applied, as well as 4 video motion detection, or VMD windows. Let's set up a filter in the SNC CH140 web interface. Click on Settings and enter the username and password. In this case, the default, which is admin. Click on Event Detection, then Motion Detection, then Detection Area. You can choose up to 4 VMD areas in any shape or size you require. You can also add vertexes to the VMD areas to make more complex shapes. You can see green highlight boxes around detected objects. Choose the VMD area in which you want to place the VMF. These VMD areas by themselves are capable of basic contrast-based motion detection and will give the same alarm outputs from the camera as the VMF triggers. Let's choose this area number 1 as our detection window. Now, under VMF settings, choose the number of filters you want. You can have up to 3 filters. Now, click on Filter Type, and in this case we will choose Passing. We can also choose Object Appearance, Disappearance, Existing or Loitering, and a Capacity filter. Loitering can be set from 1 second to 180 seconds. Capacity will count detected objects up to 10, and if the objects counted exceeds the threshold, the VMF will trigger. Click on the Passing setting to configure the filter. You can then choose the position and orientation of the filter and choose the trigger direction either to the right, left, or both directions. You can also choose the passing object trigger position by choosing left, right, top, bottom, or center of the line. To test the filter, pass an object past the virtual trip line, and when the object is detected and triggers the filter, the Detected button will blink green to let you know the filter is working correctly. You can have up to 3 VMFs in sequence to make a more complex filter. For instance, you could have a passing filter followed by an object appearance and an existing or loitering filter. Next, we can set up the trigger size. Click on Trigger Size and set the minimum and maximum object size for the trigger. Also available is trigger speed, used in conjunction with the passing filter. Click on Trigger Speed, move the blue and pink ends of the scale to configure trigger speed. The DEPA Advanced enabled cameras give you a useful setup tool to gauge speed, as it can be difficult to estimate speed based on a pixel per second number. In this case, we have set up the passing filter to trigger on objects moving faster than the blue dot and slower than the pink dot. In other words, triggered between the low and high thresholds in pixels per second. Now we can assign an alarm output to the trigger. Click on Alarm Output and turn Alarm Output on. Check VMF, and now the alarm output is assigned to the VMF we set up earlier. We can also set the alarm to a schedule if we need to. Sony's DEPA advanced technology enables easy integration with a variety of recorders, video management systems, and security devices.